God. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video. Oh my God. This shit cold as hell right now. So it's about to be my second day in the gym. You feel me? So I'm gonna give y'all boys a little POV ride on my way to the gym, man. We got my boy Christian back there with me right now. I'm still in pain from yesterday, bro. I couldn't even sleep right.
What do you mean by that?
All my muscles are in pain.
What?
Oh my. Y'all hear them shifts? Oh, it's a cop right there. Let me put my shit in comfort. Y'all got me messed up. Oh God. Them boys outside today, chat. Calm my ass down. And this car in front of me going mad slow right now. Go ahead, bro. We don't want that cop to catch up with us now. I wonder why every time somebody see a cop, they always panicking. Most of the times, they don't even care about you, bro. And he going the same way I'm going. Oh my God. Yeah, give me that. Oh, it's an old lady. Y'all hear these cold pops right now? Insane. Hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. On the way to 2K subs right now. Please tell me you're quick enough to go, bro. Come on, Chris. Chat. I'm not waiting on you, low key, gang. My guy, come on, bro. And that boy Christian outside. Look at the ambience, boy.
So now they won't work.
Now they want to work.
2 hours later.
Coming back home from the gym to a 340. Stop fucking playing. For the lineup though.
Hold on, I'm about to move my shit. Oh, that would be there anyway.
Nah, you good, bro?
Drizzy got the fight.
Yes, sir. So chat, right now, them boys finna go grab some food real quick. I ain't gonna lie, it's a lovely day out. It's cold, but it's still a lovely day out, man. Good vibes. I woke up at 4 this morning, then I went right back to sleep. I got up at 8, and I got up again, then I went to the gym. And then here we are, man. But if y'all know like I know, bro, we do not drive B58s in comfort. We drive these shits in Sport Plus. got a little highway POV for y'all boys. Let's go. Highway cruise. I ain't been on the highways in a minute, gang. I just know this nigga finna be on some. Yo. Oh my God. Little highway cruise for y'all boys. Yo, whose car is that? Damn. Oh my God. I hope y'all boys been enjoying the vlogs I've been dropping. Like I'm telling you, man, I'm trying to get more versatile with my vlogs. I'm trying to do more shit, so you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep it interesting for y'all boys. Oh, I could give y'all some revs. I see somebody said B58 sound like shit, man. That shit kind of threw me off because me knowing B58s do not sound bad at all. Somebody gonna try to paint that picture. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, that's pure hate, bro. Damn, where bro at?
I got a manual one.
Bro said he got a manual one. That's tough. Yo, why my burbles sound like laser guns right now, chat? nigga's acting stupid today. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I gotta turn this on. From the looks of it, I feel like we already here. Niggas pulled up to the sketchiest spot. That was a sketchy ass turn. Yo, chat, so these boys about to go get some food real quick, man. Then we finna head to the crib. I'm tired as hell, bro. These past 2 days I've been in the gym. My body need a little bit of rest. And plus I gotta go home and edit all these vlogs for y'all. Let me know how y'all boys liking the ambient lighting and shit though, man. I'm happy with the way this shit came out, you feel me? God damn, them burbos sound fucking devious right now. Oh my God. Oh, we got a bridge coming up. Oh my God, chat, we getting busy in traffic right now. After the gym post cut up. Don't ramp with him, you know? Gunshot. So we finna pull up to our location right now. So if, like I'm saying, man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.